If you have ever wanted to build a dashboard but did not want to learn a BI tool, here is the no-code path. This is a sales dataset from an Excel file, already connected to a project. Instead of configuring charts one at a time, I describe the dashboard I want in plain English. Revenue trends, top products, regional breakdown, and customer segments. Anomaly reads the data, picks the right chart for each metric, and assembles the whole thing. The build time is compressed. And here is the result: a full dashboard from one prompt. The top section holds the headline, Metrics. The numbers a sales team checks first, all in a single view. Trends over time, so changes in revenue are obvious at a glance. A breakdown of where the revenue actually comes from. And the segments that carry the most performance. No code, no pivot tables, no BI tool. Just describe what you want and let the AI build. Try it free. Link in the description.